ladies, and now it's the IFA Award for the most powerful performance in a leading role by a woman.
IFA Awards nominations for performance in a leading role female are Deepika Padukone for Bajirao Mastani.
ठोकर पत्थर से लगे तभी हाथ तलवार पर ही जाता है.
Yes, I have
Deepika
had physical
Padukone
relationships, but is
for
this something he
Piku.
needs to tell every man I meet? Meet my daughter, she's not a virgin. Which father does this?
Kangna Ranaut for Tanu X Manu Returns.
हमारा नाम है कुमारी कुसुम सांगवान, यो हमारी सैली पिंकी, हम रामदास कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ी थी.
Priyanka Chopra for Dil Dhadakne Do.
मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं, प्लीज वापस आ जाओ, प्लीज कम बैक.
क्या सर, हम इतना आपके पीछे.
Shraddha Kapoor for ABCD2.
आपको हमारी मेहनत नहीं दिख रही? शुरू की मेहनत नहीं दिख रही?
To give out this next award, we would like to invite Tiger Shroff to join Mr. R.S. Kalsi on stage.
Good evening. Best performance in a leading role female goes to
Deepika Padukone for the film Piku.
हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने भी तेज हैं अब क्या करें.
Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Madrid. But most importantly, thank you to all my fans who've been so amazing over the years. I want to dedicate this award to everyone, I think, who works behind the scenes. Actors walk away with the credit, directors walk away with the credit, producers walk away with the credit, but I think this one's really for all the writers. Juhi, I'm so happy that IFA every year does the technical awards specifically to honor these amazingly talented people who make our lives and our success possible. So I dedicate this award to all of you.
तुझे याद कर लिया आयत की तरह, हमारा जिक्र होगा फिल्म सायरत की तरह. मस्तानी साहिबा कुठे आहेस?
Hey, who are you? What you are doing here? You are new driver.
श्रीमंत आमचं नाव बाजीराव बोलाड आहे.
So what? So what? Are you Bengali?
Do I sound Bengali? हम मराठवाड़ा के पेशवा हैं और हम आपसे आपकी बेटी मस्तानी का हाथ मांगने आए हैं.
Oh, Pico. She will not marry you. She is not low IQ woman.
आए क्यों? हम उसको बाइकू बनाना चाहते हैं. अपना आशीर्वाद दीजिए क्योंकि कुदरत और किस्मत को कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
Hey, what you are talking? हम 6 महीने से अपना पोटी रोक के रखा है. तुम बोलता है किस्मत को नहीं रोक सकता है. तुम्हारे पास कोई इलाज है? I will give you her hand for free. I have big problem. I have constipation. You solve it for me. Patient.
हम समझे नहीं श्रीमंत.
अरे पेट में गुड़गुड़ होता है. Only incoming out.
आएगा.
ग
कोष्ठबद्धता.
बहुत कोष्ठ, भीषण कोष्ठ प्रॉब्लम.
आप प्रतिदिन 2 चुटकी त्रिफला के साथ पंचसाकार चूरन लीजिए, पेट साफ हो जाएगा.
What are you saying? Poka.
पोका I mean निसंदेह.
Hey, what you say?
निसंदेह.
Only on Sunday. अभी तुम बोला प्रतिदिन, every day. Now you say निसंदेह. This is confusion. Hey, Baba, I am having doubt on you, huh?
चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पर संदेह डाउट नहीं करते.
Hey, तलवार के पे कोई डाउट नहीं है. It was very good film.
आप हम दोनों को मिलने से रोक नहीं सकते. बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है अय्याशी ने.
अरे बाबा, she will not mind अय्याशी. उसके लिए सब bodily need है, समझा? And you बाबा, you don't try to fool me. I can see through all of this.
म्हाताऱ्या, तुम्ही काय माझं डोकं फरते? मस्तानी, मस्तानी.
Hey, Pico, don't listen to him.
हे आता माझी सटकली.
रिश्ते में तो हम उसके बाप लगते हैं, What is my name?
शहंशाह।
Very good. Shahenshaah.
ए श्रीमान,
हाँ.
हमें चुनौती मत दीजिए।
What now? What you will do? What you will do?
What I will do?
What you will do? Feeling is coming. Excuse me. अद्भुत, अद्भुत. फीलिंग इज ग्रेट. वेरी गुड. तुम्हारा डांस हमारा पूरा सिस्टम क्लियर कर दिया. अभी तुमको पिको के साथ जो करना है करो. यू कैन मैरी हर, यू कैन टेक हर होम, यू कैन डू.
में हमें कमाल की रेंज देखने को मिली. कुछ हार्ड हिटिंग सब्जेक्ट्स थे तो कुछ एक्सेप्शनली रोमांटिक.
कुछ स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामास थे तो कुछ सोशल ड्रामास.
जॉनर चाहे जो भी हो, क्वालिटी एकदम टॉप क्लास थी. The audience was truly spoiled for choice. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for Best Picture 2016 are...
Nexa IFA Awards nominations for Best Picture are Karan Johar, Hero Yash Johar and Apurva Mehta for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
हंसाने के ऐसी मोहब्बत करना जिसके बदले मोहब्बत न मिले.
Foxstar Studios, Arun Pandey, Inspired Entertainment for MS Dhoni.
लाडो का प्लेन वो कराची गया था ना, हाईजैक हो गया.
Foxstar Studios, Bling Unplugged for Neerja.
इसको अच्छा लगता है सर.
Rashmi Sharma,
वो इस तरीके से छुए.
Ronnie Lahiri, Sheel Kumar for Pink.
जबरदस्ती.
Aditya Chopra for Sultan.
मैंने पहलवानी जरूर छोड़ी है पर लड़ना नहीं भूला.
Shobha Kapoor, Ekta Kapoor, Sameer Nair, Aman Gill, Vikas Bhel, Vikramaditya Motwani and Anurag Kashyap for Urta Punjab.
ये अवार्ड देने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे शाहिद कपूर एंड कबीर खान, प्लीज.
Good evening. Finally, this is the biggest award of the night that we've been waiting for. And the Nexa IFA Award for Best Picture goes to Neerja, produced by Foxstar Studios and Bling Unplugged.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, IFA. So I want to thank Atul and Shanti for bringing me the amazing story of Neerja. Thank you so much. This is really, really special.
Ram Madhwani, ladies and gentlemen. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है उन एक्टर्स के लिए जो हर फ्राइडे ऑडियंसेस को थिएटर्स तक खींच के लाते हैं.
स्पोर्ट्समैन हो या रॉक स्टार, लवर हो या लॉयर, इस साल के नॉमिनीज ने बेखूबी से अपने क्राफ्ट का प्रदर्शन किया. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for performance in a leading role male are...
Nexa IFA Awards nominations for performance in a leading role male are
अगर तुझे कोई बोले कि जो निकल गया ना वो तेरी लाइफ का सबसे अच्छा टाइम था.
Shahid Kapoor for Urta Punjab. Ranbir Kapoor for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
लड़का और लड़की दोस्त नहीं बन सकते.
Shah Rukh Khan for Fan.
हम एक क्रिकेटर हैं लेकिन टीसी का काम कर रहे हैं खड़गपुर स्टेशन पे.
Sushant Singh Rajput for MS Dhoni. Amitabh Bachchan for Pink.
You are a woman of questionable character.
Salman Khan for Sultan.
असली पहलवान की पहचान अखाड़े में नहीं जिंदगी में हुए.
And to do the honors, could we please invite on stage R.S. Kalsi, Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Katrina Kaif.
Hello, everyone. It's an honor to represent Nexa on this glorious and phenomenal stage of IFA. This is Nexa's third year of association with IFA, and we are taking it a level further by setting new trends for the Nexa customers who are global and aspirational. Both IFA and Nexa complement each other at this global stage as they enhance the premium imagery of both the brands. Thank you, and may we all drive together to the new and memorable experience. So friends, the moment you have been waiting for, the Nexa IFA Award for the best performance in the leading role male goes to Shahid Kapoor for Udta Punjab.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shahid Kapoor, Best Actor, 2016. His portrayal of Tommy in Udta Punjab was possibly the most risque and path-breaking portrayal in recent times. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor.
Thank you so much. Thank you, New Jersey. Thank you, New York. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Wizcraft. Well, on my wife's phone, my name is stored as Tommy. So I guess this is poetic justice. I am extremely grateful to all those people who have supported Udta Punjab. And thank you so much, and I love you all. I love you all of you. I love you! Thank you.
Thank you, and humongous congratulations to you, Shahid. अगला अवार्ड है उन क्वींस के लिए जिन्होंने साबित कर दिया है कि no means no when it comes to a bad script.
And yes means yes when it comes to powerhouse performance. The nominees for performance in a leading role female are
Nexa IFA Awards nominations for performance in a leading role female are Anushka Sharma for
जो है
Edil
हमारे बीच
Mushkil,
भाई ये दोस्ती ये मेरी ताकत है आशिकी मेरी कमजोरी है
Alia Bhatt
अजीब सी फीलिंग थी
for Dear Zindagi,
किसी ने मेरे हाथ से टीवी का रिमोट छीन लिया
Sonam Kapoor for Neerja,
सब मैं सिर्फ अपना काम कर रही हूँ अपना फर्ज निभा रही हूँ जैसे आप निभा रहे हो
Taapsee Pannu
कांड होगा I'm bored you coward
for Pink,
so stop talking and come and show me what you can do
Alia Bhatt for Udta Punjab,
कैसे ना आया अच्छा टाइम रे हाँ चलो अच्छा टाइम खोजते खोजते तो ये हाल हो गया बस ओ गई ना बस
Mr. Karthi is with us on stage. Could we please invite Varun Dhawan to join him to do the honors tonight? As you know, at IFA, the Best Actress comes right after Best Actor because that truly signifies empowerment, women empowerment. Give it up to the spirit of IFA, ladies and gentlemen.
So the best performance in a leading role female goes to Alia Bhatt for Udta Punjab.
I love you guys, I really do. And I love all of you who have been sitting so patiently. I think clap for yourselves. If I could, I would come and give this award to all of you right now. But firstly, thank you, Varun. It really... What? Why are you laughing?
Salman bhai is saying something.
What? Oh, Salman Khan is saying I'm looking lovely, guys. Thank you. And last but not the least, my father, Karan Johar, my mentor, the reason I am here today, the reason I'm able to perform and act in movies. Thank you, Karan, for giving me that opportunity. I will always be grateful and you will always be the most special person in my life. Thank you.
सर मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है कि मैं एक डायरेक्टर बनूं और तुम वो फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करो नहीं हाँ या ना कुछ तो बोलो
हाँ और ना
हाँ और ना मतलब
हाँ तुम डायरेक्टर बन सकते हो ना मैं वो फिल्म प्रोड्यूस नहीं करूंगा बट जिसके साथ मैं प्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगा those are the illustrious nominees for the Best Director Award.
Ashwini Iyer Tiwari for Bareilly Ki Barfi,
ये तो संडास से लेके सुशीला तक सब दिख रहा
इस देश में अंग्रेजी जबान नहीं है
Saki Chaudhary
क्लास है राज क्लास
for Hindi Medium, Anurag Basu for Jagga Jasoos,
Amit V. Masurkar.
तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है न्यूटन मालूम है तुमको?
मेरी ईमानदारी
ना ईमानदारी
For Newton, Suresh Thavini.
1
For Tumhari Sulu.
0
To give away the awards, we would like to call on stage two exceptional filmmakers, Subhash Ghai and David Dhawan.
पिक्चर
To watch one film on a VCR, well, that's what this is accomplished. Thank you so much.
Thank you David ji, thank you Subhash ji, and congratulations Saket. का मतलब पूरी तरह से बदल दिया है.
आज का हीरो सिर्फ हीरोइन नहीं, समाज को भी बचाता है. So let's put our hands together for the nominees of performance in a leading role male.
Today, God promise I speak English.
Irfan Khan for Hindi medium.
Because English is India and India is English.
बगीचे में कुछ फूल देर से
Ranbir Kapoor for Jaga Jasoos. Adil Hussain for Mukti Bhawan.
वापस आते मैं बात कर रहा हूँ बाबा.
बहुत पहले भी एक न्यूटन था. पढ़ाई करते वक्त कभी उसकी बात समझ नहीं.
Rajkumar Rao for Newton. Akshay Kumar for Toilet Ek Prem Katha.
साला हम एक संडास न बना सके.
We would now like to call on stage Shraddha Kapoor to join us in the award presentation along with Mr. Tarun Garg.
Good evening, everyone, again. IIFA Award for Performance in a Leading Role Male goes to one of my favorites, Irfan Khan, for Hindi Medium.
Dino is coming up, the producer of Hindi Medium, to accept Mr. Irfan Khan's award on his behalf.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Irfan Khan's portrayal of Raj Batra made Hindi Medium what it is. And this reinstates that. Irfan would like to thank IIFA and everybody who gave Hindi Medium so much love. It's a little bittersweet feeling because he's not here with us right now. But he genuinely is one of the finest individuals and one of the finest actors of our times. So we humbly accept this award on his behalf. We miss you, Irfan.
Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you for doing the honors.
Now the next award, performance by leading female. Please put your hands together for performance in a leading role female, and the nominees are
Alia Bhatt for Badrinath Ki Dulhania.
बहुत घटिया हरकत किए हो हमारे घर रिश्ता भेज के.
चिल्ला रहे थे तुम लोग. Late Sridevi for Mom.
आगे उसकी अम्मी हम चाहते कि सारा वर्ल्ड हमारी आवाज सुने.
Zaira Wasim for Secret Superstar.
पिछले 1 महीने से ताड़ रहे हो आप. फट्टू आया.
Bhumi Pednekar for Shubh Mangal Savda. Vidya Balan for Tumhari Sulu.
And to join Mr. Garg, we would like to call the beautiful Kriti Sanon on stage.
It's truly an honor for me to be giving away this particular award. I've grown up watching her films and she's been an inspiration, I'm sure, to every girl out there. She was the first ever female superstar India had. This is going to be the last IIFA that she would win for a particular film. It's none other than the late Sridevi ji.
Thank you. Namaz dedicated his award to
करण, सिंस यू आर अ फिल्म मेकर, मुझे बताइए कि एक हिट फिल्म कैसे बनाते हैं?
Ritesh, I will summarize it in just one line. Great content makes great films. More power to the writers who are the soul of feature films.
और अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट बिना बेस्ट फिल्म्स नहीं बनती. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for the best film are
Jungly Pictures and BR Studios for Bareilly Ki Barfi, Dinesh Vijan, Bhushan Kumar and Krishan Kumar for Hindi Medium, Manish Mundra for Newton, Arun Bhatia, Sheetal Bhatia, Aman Dandia, Arjun N. Kapoor, Viacom Motion Pictures, Hitesh Thakkar and Virendra Arora for Toilet Ek Prem Katha, Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Tanuj Garg, Atul Kasbekar and Shanti Sivaraman Maini for Tumhari Sulu.
And to do the honors, could I please invite on stage the brilliant performer of tonight, Ranbir Kapoor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again. IIFA Award for Best Picture goes to Tumhari Sulu.
बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा बन मेरी महबूबा मैं तेनू ताज पवा दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा.
Wow. Thank you, Malishka, Neha Dupia, Vijay Maurya, Manav Kaul, and above all, Vidya Balan. You are singularly, Vidya, the most amazing actor in the universe. We love you to death. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, team Tumhari Sulu. Thank you.